Want to apply Target Circle offers in app? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to do that. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Target app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now you want to tap on the Target Circle icon at the bottom. Now you want to browse the available offers and tap save on any deals you want. Once saved, you want to add your qualifying items to your basket, then tap on your basket. Now you want to tap on continue to checkout option. In the checkout screen, confirm you're using the same account where you saved those offers. And here you will see circle discount automatically applied beneath its items. If you're picking up in store, choose order pickup and complete your purchase. Your offers will adjust your total before you pay. For delivery, just proceed with shipping details and circle savings will appear in your order summary. And that's all. Your Target Circle deals are now applied and ready to save you money. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.